Hey guys, we're here at Algonquin Outfitters at the Oxtongue. We're here to take on the Meanest Link. It's a 420-kilometer journey around Algonquin Park. Will there be alders? Will there be moose? Will there be rapids? Will we make it? Well, come along with us on this adventure and enjoy the wild. All right, put my life jacket on. We chose a rainy day to start. Come over here. Oh, that first one was a little bit of a doozy. I guess we're already wet from the rain anyway. Woo, we made it! Alright. Ooh, that was a decent one. Got a few scratches on that one. That was fun. Okay. All right. All right, we're at the Portage. Whew. It is buggy. Tons of mosquitoes on this 4K Portage. Whew. Oh, I think we're at the wood lot. All right, we're back. We just got through the wood pile, back on the Oxtongue. Whew, that was a little bit of a doozy. Pretty buggy. We saw a fox back there by the wood pile. Ooh, loving the Oxtongue now. It is beautiful. Nice big trees, nice current. That one didn't make it. Oh, it's nice. The rain stopped. Got pushed back to 1, it says now. So we're enjoying this. Some beautiful trees here. Look at these trees right on the edge of mine here. Breaking out the double blade just to try and get a little more distance before the rain happens again.
Follow the V?
Yeah, straight down the V. Should be okay, straight through. see a portage sign just past the bridge. Maybe that's the portage. Ooh, lost some paint on that one. Alright, Marsh's Falls Portage. Marsh's Falls. Whew, made it to the portage. The rains are coming. Alright. Just made it into Lake of Bays just about 11 a.m. Started at, I think, a little before 7 a.m. Wanted to start a little earlier, but because of the rain we delayed it a little bit. And thankfully it's holding off so far, but it could start raining at any moment. A little choppy out here. Starting to rain. We're making progress, at least it's not a headwind. Alright, almost there. That's that Portage Road. Portage. Goodbye, Lake of Bays. Thank you, Lake of Bays, for providing these first-class washrooms. That was nice. Wow, this is some portage. Busy roads. Oh yeah, that's the sign. Oh my, there's a hill. Whew. This is some portage. Man, first class on the Lake of Bays. Watch out for deer jumping over skidoos. Alright, we're into Peninsula Lake. Wow, Peninsula is just a blast here. Alright, heading into the canal next. Oh, it's so peaceful in the canal. Wow, look at all the geese over there. They're having a family reunion, I guess. I can imagine on a long weekend this canal's probably ripping with boats. Into Fairy Lake, and wow, it's pretty glassy. We're really scoring with the wind. It's still raining, but at least there's no wind.
I think it's to the left of this, I mean to the right of that little island.
Okay. We were just talking about Algonquin Outfitters Huntsville. If they have washrooms we could maybe use, and in those washrooms, do they have hand dryers? Because we might try and stand underneath the hand dryer to dry up. It's a wet one. So I think that's One Tree Island, or whatever it's called, on Jeff's map. 5.0 map. A lot of birds on it. Look at that. Seagulls. Getting a little bit of wind here. Look at all those gulls. Oh, flew right over top of us. Maybe he's saying, keep going, don't stop. That one at the top of that dead tree must be the king. Private meeting, I guess. Sorry, guys. Oh, there's babies. I saw some babies. Ooh, I am getting super thirsty and super hungry. We've been pushing because they said there was supposed to, maybe a chance of thunderstorms, so we thought better just keep pushing, because we don't know if we're going to get stuck somewhere. So dehydrated. I think we're entering beautiful Huntsville. Ooh, rain's picking up again. Beautiful sounds of Huntsville. We're almost there. Yeah. Rain. Yeah, I think it's where those kayaks are. Ooh, I think we made it. First checkpoint, Algonquin Outfitters. Huntsville. Alright, here's our first checkpoint. Algonquin Outfitters, Huntsville. We made it!
Yay!
Hot and fresh, yes please. Thank you, Pizza Pizza. Alright, back on the water. The rain stopped and the sun came out. First glimpse of the sun on the Meanest Link. Feels pretty good when you're real damp and want to dry out. Let the good times roll. This guy's got a little too much sun. I wonder if it's 2 families, 3 families. A little bit of headwind on Hunter's Bay. Wow, some blue sky. Woohoo! Things are looking up. Entering the Narrows. Oh man, we gotta get into that sun.
Maybe that blue thing up there.
Yes, the sun. Look how nice that is. Wow.
Actually, it's not that far.
Just glistening. Thank you, Mr. Sun. Drying us out. We're battling the wind now. Alright, we're almost at the Big East, I think. I'm just trying to locate it. I think it's straight ahead. Like Vernon came with a vengeance. Woo! Woo, just taking a break in the reeds here. I think we're almost at the Big East. Hope we can get out of these reeds. Okay, I am just going to see if I can pull us. Vernon's really fighting. Out a way in to the Big East. I think it's just over to the right. Ooh, this is windy. Alright, we made it to the Big East Delta. Alright, we're on the Big East now. Beautiful, I think there's silver maples. Oh, it's so nice being out of that wind and those swells. That was rough. Knot in her shoulder that tightened up there with those swells. So she's just taking a break from paddling. We're going to try and massage it, get some cold water on it, get some Advil, and try to nurse it tonight once we find a campsite. So we're on the lookout on the Big East. Oh, we got the solar panel out because the sun's been out for a while. Find the Zoleo is draining our phone, so we're trying to charge it up. See if we could save our power banks a little bit.
Wood ladder up the tree for jumping, I guess.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Cool.
Ladder up the tree, there must be like a rope swing. Alright, I think we're at Highway 2. I think there might be more camping options after that, but not really sure. We'll see what we get. Man, this section of the Big East is so peaceful. It's like glass. I think that might be a beaver. You know what? I just think it's the current with the stick. Some people got quite the setup. Look at that. Rock climbing all the way up to the top. Rope swing. Amazing. That's a beaver. Oh. Wow. Splashed us. First beaver. First log jam here. You think I'm the right?
Yeah.
Actually, we got a space on the curve in. Must have been a storm. Can we get through?
Just barely.
Well, we passed a lot of sand dunes where we could have camped, but we're trying to just go a little further because we feel up for it. Yeah, we might stop soon. Came around the bend, there's a huge hill over there. A little baby mountain. I think we found our campsite for the night, maybe. Just pull around to the front here. A nice beach site. All right, here's a quick tour of our campsite for night one. There's our tent there. Found a little sandbar on the Big East. Made a little clothesline. I'm gonna take down because it's supposed to rain tonight. And yeah, it's nice and private. We can't even hear the highway, so that's nice. Looking forward to day 2 on the Big East.